today we're doing a dry ice experiment since COVID-19 lockdown. So anyways, let's get ready with this experiment. Let's go. Look everybody, the dry ice is making smoke because all this water it's making that dry ice boil. Also, speaking of boil, can you hear it boiling? I'll let you listen. Also, I have something to show you for this experiment. I have this person and he will act like it's too cold and he's blowing out smoke. This is what happens when the ice it's evaporating, and also it makes bubbles. See, look. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed today's experiment. Later, I'll probably do another experiment. Also, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!